Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority MSLSA mentakas ngikhatway tarik nailur kalapanlong ya program kabakerpang banai Jinghikai na kabantai kinong yalam Shnong kinong yalam thau kum kaway na kathong ban pensyai halor ki an bat kilat Jingiarap na Sorkar hakabayade bat ki kaman bat ki padba ki dan kam ya ka Jingiarap na Sorkar ya kani ka program ai Jinghikai balatip kum ka mediation and community mediation na kabantai ki Rangbah Shnong bat ki sim lapanlong habhoy rembong sian adi block ribhoy district. Hakani ka program la bentalang daw TTM Sangma MUS Officer on Special Duty ka MSLSA ka kong ai lengkhoy secretary ka DLSA ribhoy district bat kanthop ki Rangbah Shnong bat ki way.
As I have already spoken about the mandate of the Meghalaya State Legal Services and also the district legal services, our mandate is to give free legal aid to the marginalized sections of society and to create awareness. So what we're doing now is part of the awareness program. This is a project which has been commissioned by the Department of Justice on to train the leaders of the village. Under the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, we constantly say 6th schedule. You must have heard, some of you might know, some of you might not know what it is, but you must have seen the KHADC, JHADC, and the Government District Council. These are the bodies, the councils which have been created for, propagating, for preserving the culture, our unique culture. So these institutions are very important. Even though we are a lucky state that we have our own people leading the legislature also. We are, even the executive, our people, the local people, we have people in the government, and also we have the same people, people of the same community in the district council. So we are one of the unique states that has that kind of structure. Mediation is not something new. This is something that probably you already, maybe not exactly mediation, but there's some education which you're doing in the villages. You all exercise powers under the 6th schedule and also the administration justice rules. You have powers to punish some people who maybe broken the laws in the village. You have powers to settle disputes within the village. So in addition to that, we just want you to maybe take a glance at the principles of natural justice, maybe also learn some of the techniques from the community mediation, and hopefully you can take at least something back from this training. We hope that you don't go back empty-handed. Some of the tools that are there, some of the principles that are there will help you in your dispensation of justice, and that you'll be able to do it in a more fair manner. We're not saying that you're not, that you're not already doing it, but
Samla की districts का नाम का district legal services authority की बाहर क्या नहीं करेगा कि बाहर ही एक्शन नहीं करेगा Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority, but bahagian involved of what kरेगा Mslsa dari national at the national level termasuk Supreme Court. Jadi bahagian Khubor की states की की judges join का High Court. Bahagian Khubor की district की judges join का District Court. The Kunka team haki district level Khubor District Legal Services Authority. We done here district and sessions judge, the chairperson. We done here secretaries. We done here DC, we done here SPs. We done here main members of the District Legal Services Authority. He come join the District Legal Services Authorities and also Khuborjylla Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority. He did an Jingiarap, Khubor Allah, Khubor dan Yasad yang kita So in a way, we offer free legal services, free legal help, free legal assistance. We are Jingiarap and Khubor bisa haba yadai bagi kam dan Yasad of course. Lalu kita laban rapuhani la IT ini ya ki kam bagi jadi Shnong kita jadi schools jadi colleges bagi spread awareness bagi ai ke jadi school tu jadi pensyai sampai ki various laws but he actually mentang dalam kami menjual Shillong Japan di boxing cases, menjual Shillong Japan di criminal cases, civil cases. Di nimla abang orang mentang ada leadership di saw kiri saw dari leadership di courts, but bukan ni orang ni lebih sah, kibrio ki lebih sah mana ada, bukan kibrio ki teriak, bukan di courts, bukan leadership courts. Luar negara tayo pinunta, pa madami daladang kita kibrio dalam Jingiarap dalam Jingiarap Lidar, ni naka district in ay kibida, dalam kapasio, but Jingiarap yang fina tu asal kibis kalau ikut kibis. Karena ada most important work of the District Legal Services Authority and also the Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority. In the last year, the lawyers have been Khuborjylla on, but they have Japan mediation, and they Khubor Khubor Shnong, he done the Khubor Shnong how cases come so many cases that they are here, such as murder, the Canadian Batai. I think Khubor served in socialized some introductory speech in the job application and then explain that the technical session will be handled by the lawyers. I think